So let's add our Polygon layer file. So just go to the Add Data button and then browse to the folder where I'm storing all my files. And here we go, our shapefile. So I'll add this. And then I right click on my layer and I go to Zoom to Layer. And now I can see, all the different polygons in here. Now of course the polygons are blocking the view of the map behind them. So I need to go change there what they look like. So I go to Properties. And then we go to Symbology. And then here we just double click our symbol. We change the fill color to no color. Make the outline a bit thicker, 2 or 3. And we pick a nice bright color. And now it will just be outlines. Okay, click apply to see the effect. And we'd like to see the numbers of each polygon. So we click label features in each cell and we set this to object ID. And that should be all there's to it. So we click OK. And there we go. We have our polygon labeled. Now let's say I want to work on polygon 22. So I just zoom into 22. So we have the zoom tools over here. Zoom in, zoom out. Hand tool to pan and move around. And even now we're still, we might need to actually select the layer. So let's switch these all off. And let's work on 1860. Still need to zoom in a bit further, zoom in a bit further. And there we go. We get our historic map of Scotland. And now let's zoom in a little bit more. The writing is really small in these things. Use our pan tool to move around and just browse around to see if you can find any coal mining features here. Might need to zoom in again because it's all really small. So this looks quite suspicious, but wow. You'll typically see the coal mining features that will be called things like collieries or pits, coal pit, iron pit. So you'll be able to find them. Just takes a bit of browsing around to find coal features, but there's loads of them in Glasgow. Here's an old quarry. Oh, and there we go. We have an old pit. So I can zoom in a bit more to get a better view. Get the zoom tool. Oh, that's zoomed in too much. Let's zoom out a little bit. Alright, and there the map is back. So there's an old pit, and we're mining ironstone here.